Who's this?
What do robots say?
Who are you?
Here, I'm a robot.
Wow, look at this robot. Robot, where do you come from?
It came from Earth.
From Earth. Wow. And what do you do?
Well, I just run around and do stuff.
Oh, wow. What do you eat?
Little robots.
You eat little robots? Oh, and do you require electricity to run?
Uh-huh.
And what else?
Battery to run.
Yeah? Okay, excellent. Wait,
Crackers to run.
crackers?
To run.
Crackers, pirate booty, electricity? These seem like good things. All right, little robot, do you have anything you want to tell people?
Do your best robot voice.
I am a robot.
Nice.
Nice. All right, I love you.
Eater.